Good day to everyone! This is the fifth lesson in the course Calculation in LIRA-SAPR, and in this lesson we will learn the setting of restraints and hinges. We set restraints in nodes. Restraints prohibits the displacements of a node in a specified direction along axis x, y, z and rotation over this axis. Let's set restraints on our bars. Click on the button Select Nodes and select following nodes on bars. Then find the button Restraints in group of commands Stiffness and Restraints, or in tab Nodes. In this window we need to select the directions in which we want to prohibit displacements. Let it be displacements along the x, y and z axis and rotations around them. Click OK. Restraints are set. Let's do the same operation with the plates and solids. Select the corner nodes of the plates and the lower nodes of the solids. And click OK in the window. Only single node finite elements remained. Let's remember how we created them. Return on the Create and Edit tab. Click on the button Material Properties. From the list select Stiffness Numerical for 56 finite element and click on the button Edit. In this window we see that our element has stiffness only along axis Z. It means that element can move along and around other axes, and when we will start to analyze our program will say that we have geometrically variable system. To prevent that, select nodes in these elements and in window Restraints check axes X and Y and click OK. The second topic of our lesson is the setting of hinges. The hinges are set on the ends of the bars. In LIRA-SAPR, by default, connections between elements are rigid and all efforts are transferred from one element to another. For example, efforts from this bar will transfer to this one. To prevent that, we need to set hinge at the beginning of this bar. Select right bar with known command and click on the button Hinges in this tab or in Bars tab. In this window you can set hinges in first node at the beginning of a bar and in second node in the end of a bar. In first node, select rotation around Y and Z. Pay attention that in this window coordinate system for bars is local. For selected bar, axis X goes along bar. Click Apply in this window. Now you can see that the hinge appeared at the beginning of the bar. Let's do the same operation for another bars, but now we will set hinge in the end of the bar. Let's do the last operation on our bars. Select all bars, click on the Bars tab and find the command Design section of bars. LIRA-SAPR by default analyzes bar in two design sections, at the beginning and in the end of the bar. If you need to get value of intermediate efforts in the bar, change number of design sections. In our problem, let's set 5 numbers of sections. Click Apply. The last thing we need to do in this lesson is to pack the model. On the Create and Edit tab, find the button Pack Model. In LIRA-SAPR program, all nodes must be assigned to an element. The command Pack Model allows us to delete that sort of nodes and nodes that are close to each other or have same coordinates. In other words, this command cleans our model. In first line, we set accuracy of throw together, minimal distance between nodes that have to be unified. To delete nodes that does not assign it to any element, check Eliminate from Design Model Dangling Nodes. Click Apply. As you can see, there are no more free nodes. Don't forget to save your problem and see you on the next lessons.